Setting the clock on your Samsung gas stove can vary significantly depending on the specific model you own. Understanding these differences is key to successfully configuring your stove's time display. Samsung gas stoves come in three main interface types. Standard control models use traditional buttons and number pads. Smart dial models feature a rotating knob for navigation. Wi-Fi enabled models can automatically sync time when connected to your home network. For newer models with smart features, automatic time synchronization is available. This convenient feature eliminates the need for manual clock setting by connecting to internet time servers. To enable automatic time synchronization, first ensure your stove is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Then access the settings menu and look for the date and time option to turn on automatic synchronization. For manual clock setting, you'll need to locate the clock controls on your specific model. The location and method can vary significantly between different Samsung stove designs. On most Samsung gas stoves, look for a dedicated clock button on the control panel. This button is typically located near the number pad, sometimes near the number 9, and may display either the word clock or a clock symbol. Smart dial models use a different approach. Instead of a dedicated clock button, you'll access time settings through the main menu system using the rotating dial knob. For smart dial models, you'll tap the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines on the display. Then use the dial knob to navigate to set time and use the same dial to enter the correct time values. Regardless of your model type, the key is identifying whether you have a dedicated clock button, a smart dial interface, or Wi-Fi automatic sync capability. Each method provides reliable access to your stove's time settings. Remember these key points when locating your clock settings. Button locations vary by model. Smart dial models use menu navigation. Wi-Fi enabled models offer automatic sync, and you should look for either a clock symbol or the word clock on your control panel. Understanding your specific Samsung stove model and its clock setting method is the foundation for successfully configuring your time display. In the next section, we'll walk through the step-by-step process for manual time setting. Now that you're in clock setting mode, you'll need to enter the correct time. Most Samsung gas stoves allow you to input the time using the number pad on the control panel. Pay careful attention to whether your model uses a 12-hour format. If it does, you'll need to select either AM or PM after entering the time digits. After entering the time and selecting AM or PM if necessary, you need to confirm your settings. Press the clock button again or follow any on-screen prompts to save the time. If you have a smart dial model, the process is slightly different. After entering the time using the dial knob, you'll need to push the dial knob inward to confirm your selection. If you encounter any issues while setting the clock, there are a few things to check. First, make sure your range isn't in demo mode, as this can prevent the clock from setting correctly. You can also refer to your user manual or visit the Samsung website for model-specific instructions.